Hi all my family, friends, friends of friends, teachers. We have an important message to deliver and a story actually to tell from just half an hour ago. I dropped this very phone down a crevice here on the mountain. We came up this mountain, wanted to shoot a video for you guys, and it felt helpless. It felt like I wasn't gonna get this Heritage Day concert done. All the odds stacked against us, and came to our rescue was rock climbers, and they went down and got our phone, and that is Ubuntu. That's that sense of shared humanity, that care for one another, and that's what we stand for here at Umbiyozo. And I'm here with Luzuko, who is the leader of Masizakhe Youth Arts Project, one of the troupes under Umbiyozo. We have a very inspirational story of Ubuntu between the two of us, and he's quite a leader within our space and a source of hope. But we really want everyone who's watching right now to consider either coming to the dinner at the end of the Heritage Day concert, because we really need to raise some funds. The ticket sales are going to help us actually prepare for the concert, and if anyone else feels called by the message that we're sending to please make a donation, we'll definitely send you something in return, whether it's a video or an Umbiyozo DVD, something that you'll appreciate. But now just wanted to give you a little bit of a sneak preview of our finale of Ubuntu Land, the production we're doing in 10 days time. Ubuntu, the force that binds me and you. Ubuntu, we need each other to make it through. Look to our heritage, hear what the ancestors said. I am me, through you, let our souls be fed by Ubuntu. Yeah, so hopefully that got you excited. Zuko, if you wouldn't mind quickly introducing yourselves and just telling the story of how we met and what the importance of the work that we're doing at Umbiyozo and Masizakhe is doing, quickly. 30 seconds.
Yeah, man, simply it's simple. This is building tomorrow's leaders. The youth of today, as we say, the youth of today is tomorrow leaders. If we don't do something about it today, then we might as well not do it tomorrow. I came up to meet with this guy because I had a passion of developing the young ones, the youth of the community, and I think God granted this guy to me because that's how I met him. We're driven by the same passion of developing youth out there
Through the arts.
Through arts and art projects, you know. And
connecting, we become so united. You know, we come from such different backgrounds. He's gone through so much challenge, but we help each other in such a beautiful way. So I hope that gets you a little bit excited to come out, see the biggest concert, the biggest event in Umbiyozo's history. It's a lot is on the line for this. So we really need your support, and really appreciate it in advance. And I'm going to reach out to each and every one of you personally who at least even responds to the email. Thanks a lot.
And remember, a person's
a person through other people.
Peace.
Peace.